Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your speaker on your iPhone when it doesn't work. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try is to restart your phone, so just keep pressing home button until you will see here slide to power off. So just slide to power off and just then restart your phone, turn on. And also another thing you can also try is to go to settings. In the settings you need to find sound and haptics, and here you can see also ringer and alerts if your volume is high, and also you can check your sounds and vibrate on ring on silent and system haptics, lock sound, so all sound effects you can control here. And if you doesn't have some sound, you can also check from here, from this menu, when you restrict maybe some sound, or you just turn on some function. So just check from this menu, and I hope that this will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.